Hi guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another opportunity for you guys, which is Dell Freshers Recruitment 2020 as software engineer for BE, BTech, ME and MTech. Before moving on to this freshers recruitment process, let me tell you about our channel. So we provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical and all other type of job opportunities as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. Moving on to Dell Freshers recruitment process. So Dell is hiring freshers as software engineer for BE, BTech, ME, MTech. So we have provided all the details like eligibility criteria, selection process, apply a link. So read it on our official website fresherscamp.com. This is about Dell Freshers Recruitment 2020. Company's name is Dell. Experience needed is freshers. Job profile is software engineer. Eligibility criteria: bachelor's degree in computer science, 6 months to 2 years of experience, excellent communication skills, able to generate innovative ideas, independent, self-motivated, ability to learn on the job, and research opportunity to leverage VMware technology. This is about the job role. So you will be responsible for analysis, design, development of application based on the business need in cloud-based environment. You should have excellent communication skills and interpersonal skills. In this role, you will embrace to IT standards, process and methodologies. This is about the job responsibility. So as an application developer at VMware, you will create innovative solutions and solve complex problems. These are the role which will include the following activities. You have to participate and work with business analysts, design and develop application using Java J2EE stack, consume microservices, develop web applications, write and execute unit test cases. See, all the details are provided. These are the preferred skills: excellent teamwork skills, self-starter and ability to work independently, excellent analytical and critical thinking skills, excellent verbal and written communication skills. How to apply? So we have provided a link here, apply link, click here, click on the link and you will go to the official website of Dell. So this is the official website of Dell. They have also provided all the information regarding job profile and all the informations application developer. This is about the job role, responsibilities, excellent communication skills, required skills, preferred skills. So posted date is 4th 17th 2020. The work from home no, full-time work, entry level and software engineering, engineering and technology. Click on the apply now and you will move to the next web page. So they're asking you to provide your basic details like name, email, job category, career level and last name, phone number, location. Provide all the details. Select this and click on submit and you will have your account created on Dell's official website. After this you will receive a mail through Dell for more informations. Moving on to Freshers Camp website. So we have provided all the details regarding the job profile and eligibility criteria and all the information. If you still have any query you can contact us. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. Link for applying for this job is provided in the description. Thank you.